Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the battery is located on this Bobcat UV34XL side-by-side. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. So we're going to come over here on the passenger side, back here to the rear door. You lift this seat up right here, and then you're going to lift this tray right here, and then there is your battery. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. That always helps out a lot. And thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good one.